Hi everyone, this is Bhaavya Kapur and welcome back to my channel. So today I have something really exciting for you guys because finally I'm coming up with a grand giveaway. Now I know my history with giveaways has been really sad. I've only done it once in the past, which went horribly wrong because of somebody advising me what to do and what not to do. But this time I have come out with something extremely authentic and something that you all will enjoy and you all will benefit from. So without further ado, let me just tell you what we're going to be giving out. So we don't have 1 or 2 or 3 winners, but we have 20 winners in this giveaway. Yes guys, there are 20 winners and we are giving up prizes over 3 lakh rupees. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy as much as I enjoyed making this for you. So let me start from the bottom. The last prize is for 2 people, in which you get 1,500 rupees each of credit to buy yourself your favorite makeup brand or your shampoo or anything that you want. The 5th prize is a grand masterclass by me, which is a 1-day masterclass in which I'm going to do a bridal makeup. It's going to be a 4-hour masterclass, maybe 4.5 hours. I'm going to get a model and I'm going to show you how I do her hair, her jewelry, her makeup, along with products, tools, everything. Now the price of this one is 3,000 rupees and this is going to be absolutely free for 10 of you. Yes guys. The 4th prize is an online makeup class, which you guys know I've been doing for the past couple of months and girls really love it. I have students from all over the world attending those classes. It's a 1-week class which is going to be free for 5 of you, and apart from the class itself, you guys are going to get credit worth 1,000 to buy anything you want for yourself and for your makeup kit. 3rd prize is a complete makeup artist professional kit, something that we use in the studio, and we will be very happy to share with you the products that we use and give you a complete makeup artist kit which you can use for your own professional work or just as a hobby. This kit is going to be worth 30,000 rupees. Yes guys, it's worth 30,000 rupees, which is going to be in a giveaway. The 2nd prize is going to be an online professional makeup class, which is for 1 month and the charges are 45,000 plus GST, but it's going to be completely free for you if you follow these simple steps in the giveaway. Along with that, you get credit worth 5,000 rupees, so that makes it total 50,000 rupees. And now guys, the grand prize, which is the first prize, is going to be a complete makeup artist professional course in our academy, which costs 1.5 lakh rupees. Yes guys, you heard me right. We are giving that course out for free, and the best part is that any of you can apply for this giveaway because you don't have to be interested in makeup, you don't have to be a girl, you don't have to be related to this field, because you can transfer these courses to anyone you want. In fact, you can even sell these courses further. We don't mind. Once we give you a gift, it's yours and you can do whatever you want with it. So supposing you're a guy who is just participating for the fun of it and you win the first prize for 1.5 lakh rupees, no problem. You just get back to us and tell us that you don't want it and you want to transfer it. We are going to put up a story and we are going to let the students connect with you and buy it from you. It's up to you how much you want to sell it for. So yeah, a great business opportunity as well, right? So guys, I hope you like this idea. I'm really excited to share it with you. Please tell me what you feel I should add or subtract, and also tell me how many of you are actually looking forward to doing a course from our academy, because this is going to be a great way for you to start. And because there are so many winners, I'm sure if you have been following me for a long time, you are going to get what you deserve and you're going to win one of this, and I really hope each one of you wins. But we're just going to have 20 lucky winners, so wait for us till we share further details, and till then keep liking and commenting our posts. Thank you guys. Bye bye.